This is how to sell Pi coin for cash and cash it out to your bank account in your country. You will need your Pi mining app. You will also need your Pi browser. I will launch my Pi mining app. To sell your Pi coin, you need to know how much that has been seeded to you. That is, you need to know how much Pi that you have and how much of the Pi you have that you can cash out and sell for cash. To know that, you click this place to access your Pi wallet. The reason for that is to get access to Pi browser. You either click this Pi browser or you tap your Pi browser directly so as to access your Pi wallet. Let's use Pi browser. When you tap your Pi browser, it will bring you to this page where you have access to all the components of Pi browser. One of the components of Pi browser is Pi wallet. So you launch Pi wallet, you click it. To access your Pi wallet, you either use your 24-word passphrase in this box, you type each one with a space, or you unlock using your biometric, either your hand, your finger, your eye, anyone that is applicable. In this case, I will use this. So I will tap that. You can see my Pi wallet has been opened. As at the time of this video, this is the total Pi I have in my wallet that is seeded to me. And this is the available balance that I can transfer to any exchange for sales and conversion to cash. So what I need to do now is to send this Pi coin to an exchange where I can easily convert Pi to cash. Watch this video. The link of a video will come out here to know how to withdraw your Pi from your Pi wallet to your choice of exchange. You can see as at the time of this video, Pi has been listed on 9 crypto exchanges. These are my top recommendations: MESC, OKX, Bitget, and Gate.io. But Bitget is one of my top recommendations. You will see the link below the description of this video for all these recommended exchange where you can exchange your Pi for cash. After, you must have withdraw and cash out your Pi coin from your Pi wallet to your choice of crypto exchange. In this case, I use Bitget. You will now go to your exchange for the next step of transaction that will help you sell your Pi coin for cash. Don't forget to take advantage of Bitget rewards. All you need to do is to use my link, which is below the description of this video. You stand to earn these rewards in deposit. All you need to do is to sign up and use my referral code. This is my Bitget exchange app. This is what I currently have. For you to know what made up this balance, you come to your asset. Don't forget, we are selling Pi for cash. As you can see, I currently have just over 5 Pi coin in my Bitget exchange account. I will assume you know how to withdraw your Pi coin from your Pi wallet using Pi network. When you do that, you'll be able to see your Pi coin on your exchange account. As at this stage, you can do anything you wish with your Pi coin. You can convert it to any crypto of your choice. For you to convert this Pi to USDT, you come to your home, you click home, you tap this symbol here, tap it, you scroll down, you tap convert. You want to convert Pi to USDT, so you select this arrow, you tap it, you select Pi. We want to convert Pi to USDT so that we can exchange it for cash. So you tap maximum because you are selecting all. You click convert. We are converting Pi here to USDT. This is the exchange rate. This is the payment method, spot. This is the fee. It's at 0 fee. You click confirm if you are okay. You can see it has been converted to almost $4. You confirm if you are okay. You can go back to asset to know what it is made up of. You can see the whole money is now inside USDT. So with this money on USDT, the next stage for you to sell your Pi for cash is to do P2P from Bitget exchange and transfer the money to your bank account in your country. To do that, you come to home, you tap home, you come to this symbol, you tap this symbol, you scroll down, you are looking for P2P. This is P2P, you tap it. It is good you link your bank account to Bitget exchange before you start your P2P. For you to know how to link your bank account, a link of a video will come out here. You can watch this video. It will take you through step by step of how to do it. You'll be able to do it within minutes. You can also link the bank account while you are doing the transfer. But after you must have linked your bank account, you come to this place to set your limit. So this is where you do P2P transaction, where you'll be able to sell your Pi that has been converted to USDT and get the money in your bank account in your country. For you to know step by step of how to do this transfer to your bank account in your country, it's called P2P on Bitget. Watch this video. This video will walk you through how to move the money from USDT on Bitget to your bank account in your country. It is so simple and straightforward. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.